Everyone is talking about Saitama. You can feel the excitement around the Saitama mask. Everyone is shouting Saitama mask, Saitama mask, Saitama mask. And why not? So that is why in this video we will analyze, if we invest only $1,000 right now, how much money we can make if the market cap of Saitama reaches to Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Cardano, or even Ethereum. So let's find out. Welcome back to Fair Crypto Reviews, and I'm your host MS Khan. So without wasting any time, let me take you to my laptop screen so we can analyze how much money we can make if the market cap reaches to these tokens and coins. So let's find out.
According to dextool.io, the current market cap of Saitama is $3,431,000,000. If we invest right now $1,000, we will get approximately 14,318,000,000 tokens. But to get exact number, we will round this figure to 15 billion tokens. Now, because we are comparing Saitama with other token and coins, first of all, we will check what is the ranking of these token and coins. According to CoinMarketCap, Ethereum is ranked at number 2, Cardano at number 7, Doge and Shiba Inu respectively are at number 12 and 13. Now, what if Saitama reached to Shiba Inu market cap, which is approximately $16 billion? At that position, if Saitama reaches to $16 billion, the price will be all-time high, 60,2500. Yes, you heard me right, 6025. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, the total market cap of Cardano is 40 billion. If Saitama reaches to 40 billion total market cap, what will be the price then? The price will be 6081. Yes, this is the time of excitement. If the price of Saitama reaches to the market cap of Ethereum, which is right now $3,072,000,000, what will be the price of Saitama then? The price of Saitama will be then 5073. Just imagine if you hold this much long, what will be your profit. But before I do calculation, I want to clear one thing. I'm using Google calculator because I don't want to use stock calculator. It is very complicated to use and understand, and I want you guys to understand what is happening right now. So as we imagine, we have 15 billion tokens. So 15 billion tokens, what will be the return if we want to sell these tokens at some point? In this case, we want to sell these tokens at 7090. So what will be the return if we sell these right now? The return will be 1350. We will get $350 profit. The formula is very simple. You have to just multiply your total token at the price you want to sell. At this position, we sell 7090. Now, if the Saitama price improves and 6012, we want to sell these 15 billion tokens, what will be the return? The return will be $800. Now, suppose one more time the price improves more and reaches to 6015, what will be the return? $2250. And if the Saitama price outclass Cardano, what will be the return? It will be reached to 6070 and we will get around $10,500. Yes, you heard me right, $10,500. Now, if Saitama eat just 20, it means if Saitama reaches to around 60 billion or $58 billion, the price of Saitama will be 501 and return will be $14,000 profits. Yes, you just invested $1,000. In return, you have got $15,000. Because we have supposed so many times, let's suppose one last time, if the price of Saitama reaches to Ethereum price, what will be the return? the return will be shocking because we will get $112,000 profit. Yes, you heard me exactly right. But these only will happen if the price of Saitama reach to this position, and most importantly you hold this much long. In this video we have supposed if the Saitama price reaches to these figures what will be the return, but in next video we will calculate all the utilities of Saitama, even if this is possible or not. For now, take care of yourself and my channel too. We'll see you around. This is MS Khan signing out. Peace.